This is Electric Universe Eyes, and today I wanted to talk about a comet that's going to be closest to the Earth today, July 14th, 2022. In 2017, a comet was first observed as being the first entry of this comet titled C/2017 K2 PanSTARRS. The big ordeal with this comet was that, being its first entry into our solar system, the coma of this comet was as large as Jupiter. Back in 2017, I published a video showing the path of the comet just outside of Mars. And today it's going to be nearest the Earth before it travels along to get slingshotted out by the sun. So here is a narration of the article posted to wikipedia.org on C/2017 K2 PanSTARRS, which is an Oort cloud comet with an inbound hyperbolic orbit discovered in May 2017 at a distance beyond the orbit of Saturn when it was 16 AU or 2.4 billion kilometers from the Sun. Pre-covery images from 2013 were located by July. It had been in the constellation of Draco from July 2007 until August 2020. As of June 2022, the 3 sigma uncertainty in the current distance of the comet from the Sun is, give or take, 5,000 kilometers. The comet is record-breaking because it is already becoming active at such a distance. Only comet Hale-Bopp produced such a show from that distance with a similar nucleus. However, this comet will not be as visible as Hale-Bopp was in 1997, in part because it does not come nearly as close to the Sun. Astronomers had never seen an active inbound comet this far out, where sunlight is 1/225th its brightness as seen from Earth. Temperatures correspondingly are at -440 degrees Fahrenheit or -262 degrees Celsius in the Oort cloud. However, as it was approaching the Sun at a distance of 16 AU at discovery, a mix of ancient ices on the surface containing oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and carbon monoxide began to subliminate and shed as dust. This material expands into a vast 130,000 kilometer or 81,000 miles wide halo of dust called a coma, enveloping the solid nucleus. Here is the June 2017 image by Hubble's Wide Field Camera number 3. While the classic claim that this comet is subliminating, I disagree and believe that this coma coming from outside of the Sun's heliospheric environment had a different relative charge to what it's experiencing once it pierced into our solar system. The discharge is from the difference in electrical potential. Here's a time-lapse with an 8-inch celestron on July 1st, 2022 before closest approach to Earth. Research with the Canada-France-Hawaii Telescope, or CFHT, infers the comet nucleus to have a radius between 14 to 80 kilometers, or 9 to 50 miles. So there's a chance the nucleus could be as large as C/1995-01, or Hale-Bopp. However, research with the Hubble Space Telescope, or HST, estimates the nucleus to have a circular equivalent diameter of less than 18 kilometers, or 11 miles. On the 17th of September 2020, morphological studies of the inner coma observed on the 12th of September 2020 were reported, noting that 2 jet stream structure were emitted from the nucleus and, as well, the length of the tail was about 800,000 kilometers, or 500,000 miles long. The comet was within 5 astronomical units, or 750 million kilometers, of Earth by the 11th of January 2022. Around the 6th of July 2022, the comet crosses the celestial equator, and then on the 14th of July 2022, today, it will pass 1.8 AU, or 270 million kilometers from Earth, and shine around 9.0 magnitude, making it a decent binoculars object. It will reach perihelion on the 19th of December 2022, close to the orbit of Mars, and should not be visible to the naked eye at an 8.0 magnitude. On the 27th of July 2021, further detailed observations of the comet were reported on the Astronomer's Telegram. JPL Horizons models that C/2017 K2 took millions of years to come from the Oort cloud at a distance of roughly 50,000 AU, which is 0.8 light years. The heliocentric orbital eccentricity drops below 1 in December 2023. The outbound orbital period will be around 18,000 years. I'm going to try to view this myself tonight, and if I can capture any images, I'll be sure to share.